Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You'll begin by confirming the basics. Open settings and enable location, then set mode to high accuracy so GPS combines satellites with Wi-Fi and mobile data. Once done, clear a quick obstacle. Restart the phone to flush temporary sensor locks. Make sure you have a clear view of the sky or go outdoors. Satellites need line of sight. You're starting the only reliable reset process that combines software refresh and configuration correction before deeper steps. You now reset the services that feed GPS. Go to Apps, show System Apps, select Google Play Services and Location Services, then clear cache. This removes transient errors. Next, clear storage or app data. This resets apps and configuration files that cause wrong fixes. After clearing, reboot the phone so the services reinitialize. When it restarts, re-enable location and high accuracy to force a fresh satellite and network fix. This is why clearing service data works. It rebuilds. Finish by testing. Open a mapping or GPS test app and watch for satellite lock and stable accuracy under 10-20 meters. If the phone still misbehaves, toggle airplane mode for about 10 seconds, then reboot to force radios to renegotiate connections. Make sure location permissions for apps are correct. If none of this restores reliable GPS, consider a factory reset as a final software step or consult repair for a possible hardware fault, such as a damaged antenna or module.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.